Hello Internet, I'm Mihai, it is part 20. I will archive the new prepared code. Go to pipeline repository. This is this one, deploy app Jenkins file. Create a new stage. Zoom in. Nice. Stage name is archive. New code. Set the timeout. I will copy it, paste, and set it for 6 minutes. Write steps, write script. Good. Get the deployment folder path. Copy the line from the previous stage. Copy it. Paste. This is the variable, very good. Once we have the variable, go to Jenkins. Open the pipeline. Go to pipeline syntax. Here in snippet generator, search for zip. This is this one. The zip script comes from Pipeline Utility Steps plugin, so make sure you have it installed. Scroll down. For the zip file, you write new -code $env.build number. Good. .zip. For directory, you write dir-dir. I will replace it. No glob, no exclude. Check archive as artifact. Scroll down, click generate pipeline script. Copy the generated script. Paste it in the Jenkins file. It is it. Let's modify a bit. Put parentheses. Good. Copy the dir and paste it in the beginning. Instead of dir, put the deployment folder path. Good. Now cut the zip file and paste it after the dir. Replace single quotes with double quotes. Archive stays true. Default excludes stays false. And I want to remove exclude and glob because they are empty and I don't want to show them. That's it. Create the debug logs. sh ls-la new line sh ls-la and the deployment folder path. Put the command to remove the debug logs. Check git changes. I added a new stage. I like it, it's good. Apply the change and write the commit message. Create it. Archive, new code, stage, new line, archive new code. Commit and push. Push. I want to run the pipeline. Go to Jenkins. Go to the pipeline. Click Build with parameters. Branch name is main and build. Wait. The pipeline finished. You see the stage archive new code. Refresh the page. Also, we have something new. Last successful artifacts and this icon. I will explain it later in this video. Now go to the logs, click on the circle. Scroll down. Here is the stage archive new code, timeout set for 6 minutes. I see the command to compress the deployment 14, this one, to the zip new code 14.zip, and I also see the command to archive the new created artifact. I printed the content of the workspace. I see here the zip file, new code 14.zip, and I also printed the content of deployment 14. No changes here, and it is good. We should add nothing to this file. Pipeline status is success. Let's review the artifact. Go to Pipeline dashboard. So, if we click here on new code 14 zip, we will download the artifact. The same thing here. If we click on this button, this one, we will also download the artifact. Another way to find the artifact, it is going to the pipeline run 14, and here is also the artifact. If I click here, I download it, but if I click on build artifacts, I see the list of all artifacts in the build number 14. So let's download the artifact. Click on it. Google Chrome asks me where to download it. The folder is good. Save. Go to that folder. This is the artifact. Right click, extract to, and extract. This is the extracted folder. Here are the node modules, all of them. The src folder, the JavaScript files, package.log.json and package.json. The artifact, this one, is stored on the Jenkins server. Let's check it. Open the terminal, log in into your server. I log with SSH, username, add IP number, write the password, and I am logged into my server. Go to the root directory, cd for change directory, / for the root, print the content. I want to go to the var folder, cd var, print the content. I want to go to lib folder, cd lib, again print the content, and I want to go to the Jenkins folder. It is it. So I write cd Jenkins. Again, print the content. That's better. And now I want to go inside the jobs folder. There, in that folder, are stored all the job and pipelines runnings. But I have a better tool than terminal. It is my file explorer. Open it and write sftp : username at IP : port number and / for the root directory. If you are using Windows, this command may not work, and you will have to use the terminal. Lucky me, I'm using Linux. Enter. Write username, write the password. I'm in the root location. Go to the var folder. Now I'm in the root var. Go to lib. Go to Jenkins. Go to jobs. Go to the folder. Go to jobs again. Open the pipeline. Go to builds. And here is the run number 14. Like here in the URL. Open it, go to archive, and here is the artifact. If you cannot download the artifact from the browser, you can always go to the Jenkins server and download the artifact from the Jenkins server. Check the content. And again, we have node modules, the src folder with 2 files, package.log and package.json. Go to Jenkins file and remove the debug logs. 1, 2, 3, save, check git changes. I removed 3 lines with debug logs, apply, write the commit message, removed, debug logs, new line, archive new code, commit and push. Push. Open the diagram, select the stage, make it white, and it is all. Your code is archived and ready to be deployed. Also, I want to ask you to support me. If you like the video, if you think it helps you to find a good job and increase your salary, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's make my tutorial more popular. Thank you for watching.